Ndewono. Aha m bụ Nwada Chioma. Tata anyị ga-ekwu okwu banyere ọnwa dị n'afọ, months of the year. So we're going to talk about the months of the year in Igbo language. We know we have that of English language, but in Igbo language it is quite different. In Igbo language you have 13 months in a year. That is ọnwa iri na atọ n'afọ. N'asụsụ Igbo anyị nwere ọnwa iri na atọ n'afọ. In Igbo language we have 13 months in a year. Ha bụ ndị a. The first one is ọnwa mbụ. The first is ọnwa mbụ. The second is ọnwa abụọ. The second is ọnwa abụọ. The third month is ọnwa Ifeke. The third month is ọnwa Ifeke. The fourth month is ọnwa anọ. The fourth month is ọnwa anọ. The fifth month is ọnwa agwụ. The fifth month is ọnwa agwụ. The sixth month is ọnwa Ifejiọkụ. Sixth month, ọnwa Ifejiọkụ. The seventh month is ọnwa Alọmchi. The seventh month, which is nke asaa, is ọnwa Alọmchi. The eighth month is ọnwa Ilomọ. Eight, ọnwa Ilomọ. The ninth month is ọnwa Ala. Ọnwa Ala. The 10th month is ọnwa Okike. Ọnwa Okike. The 11th month is ọnwa Ajana. Ọnwa Ajana. Ọnwa Ajana. The 12th month is ọnwa Ede Ajana. Ọnwa Ede Ajana. The 13th month, which is the last month of the year, is ọnwa Ụzọ Alụsị. Ọnwa Ụzọ Alụsị. So these months of the year, which are 13 in Igbo language, in Igbo calendar, in the traditional Igbo calendar, starts from ọnwa mbụ. Ọnwa mbụ in the English calendar is like in the Gregorian calendar, starts in February, sometime in February, middle of February. So that's the Onwambo, that's the first month for the Igbo calendar. So we all know now the months of the year, which is ọnwa dị n'afọ ndị Igbo. And we all now know that they are 13 in number. We know that the first one is ọnwa mbụ. The second one is ọnwa abụọ. The third one is ọnwa Ifeke. The fourth is ọnwa anọ. The fifth is ọnwa agwụ. The sixth is ọnwa Ifejiọkụ. The seventh is ọnwa Alọmchi. The eighth is ọnwa Ilomọ. The ninth is ọnwa Ala. The 10th is ọnwa Okike. The 11th is ọnwa Ajana. The 12th is ọnwa Ede Ajana. And the 13th is ọnwa Ụzọ Alụsị, or ọnwa Ụzọ Alụsị. Some people call it like that. So whenever we're having Igbo the festival, whenever it's our planting season, we have an ọnwa for it. Whenever it's a season to harvest, we have a month for it. So we have months for every people that follow the Igbo calendar. Our traditional rulers, we don't just come out and say today is going to be this. No. There is a time for everything. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to subscribe. Que Messia Cordivazia.